20 istilah makeup dalam bahasa Inggris.
Flawless, flawless. This product makes your skin flawless. Matte, matte. I have many collections of matte lipsticks. Dewy, dewy. I prefer to have a dewy look. Cakey, cakey. The makeup gives good coverage without being cakey. Greasy, greasy. This product makes my skin get greasy. Smudge, smudge. There is a dark smudge on her eyes. Crease, crease. I never expected that my makeup would crease. Pigmented, pigmented. This eyeshadow is fantastic. It is super pigmented. Ashy, ashy. The foundation didn't fit me. My face was ashy. Shimmer, shimmer. Shimmer eyeshadow is better used at night. Skin tone, skin tone. What is your skin tone? Swatch, swatch. You can swatch the product to know its quality. Touch up, touch up. She touched up her lipstick after eating. Waterline, waterline. Be careful to apply eyeliner on your waterline. Waterproof, waterproof. I usually apply waterproof eyeliner in summer. On fleek, on fleek. Today my eyebrows are on fleek. Blending, blending. Blending the foundation is an important step. T-zone, T-zone. The T-zone face is usually oily. Contouring, contouring. Contouring is according to your face shape. Highlighting, highlighting. Highlighting will give a glowing effect. Thank you for watching.